Lana Leah Makers. You can. So today, I'm going to be opening this doll with her suitcase over here. Her name, Minnie Mouse, and the thing just fell. So let's take the doll out. Make sure when you have scissors, you're supervised. I have my mom with me. Okay, so the doll's Minnie Mouse. So let's open her up. So we're gonna cut this rubber band strip right here. Make sure she's good. We're going to open up her hair. So let's see here. Her hair is really hard to get. How will I do this? Sorry guys. Oh, so I found a part right here. So I got this over here. Okay, this will be very hard. So I found the part where to get it from her hair, but I'm also going to cut the rubber band strip by her arms and move it up. I'm going to take out her water bottle and cut right here. And I'm going to get the other part of her arm and move it up too. And cut the strip again. So, we're going to cut the strip, but not her hair. So you gotta be careful not to cut the doll's hair. Right, guys? Okay, if you do, man, that's gonna be a bad accident. So this is really hard. Come on, open. Sorry guys, I'll just have to get over here. Man, this is gonna be really hard. Okay. So, I'm going to be unboxing it now. Hiya! Open up, come on. So we're now going to open up her, but somehow there's accident. Sorry guys, it's really loud. To take this thing off of her, but this is going to be really hard not to cut the strip of her hair. So you got to be really gentle with this part, with the part of it, her hair. This is gonna be really hard. gotta try and find the rubber bands. So this will be really hard. You can also ask for help if you need help, right? So this, but also don't be afraid to ask for help. And don't be shy to ask for help. Okay, so I got out her hair. Her hair looks pretty, right, guys? So we're gonna put that aside now. Cut this. It's her little cute headband. And we're gonna get out her little camera. It's so cute, right, guys? So I'm gonna pop this out. See? It's so cute, right, guys? This is what her water bottle looks like. Now, I'm going to get out her suitcase. This will be really hard. Oopsies. So here are these little things. We can get other characters, but I have this here. So let's focus back on the doll. So I have no idea where I put the scissors. Ah, they're there. So we are going to open this up now. Hey guys. Hey guys. Move up. So my mom's gonna help me, I think. Yeah. Sorry about that noise. Well, that was a loud noise. So we got a little purse with her cute little doggy that we can take out. This is what a cute little doggy looks like. So let's put her in. Gonna put that with her. Oh, sorry guys. I forgot to let you see the purse too. Her cute little purse. It even has her Minnie Mouse sign on it. So cute, right guys? So let's put the doggy in. Isn't the dog so cute in it? So we're gonna put that aside next to her and get out her suitcase. Let's open it. Oh, sorry guys. I need some help opening this. Mommy, can you help me open this, please? It's really hard. Be careful, Mommy. She even has little glasses that you can put on her. Oh, look at her glasses, guys. So cute. These are what her glasses look like. I'm just being crazy, though. So let's take off her glasses. They can even do this. Cool, right, guys? Okay. Oh, show her what her glasses look like. So we're going to take out her little coat and her little headphones and this neck pillow. Cute, right, guys? Let's put them on her and see what they look like.